Hello. Let's install your ReadySet toilet seat. The seat comes in both an elongated and a round front model. We are installing the elongated model in this video. The specific toilet seat item number that this video supports can be found in the title or description. First, ensure that your seat hinge is open. Lower your ReadySet toilet seat on the toilet bowl so that the mounting posts on the seat insert into the holes in the bowl. Now, close the hinge to secure the toilet seat to the bowl. Some force will be needed to secure the hinge properly. If the hinge is too difficult to close, the bushings may be too tight. Turn the seat over and loosen the metal bushings on both sides of the seat by turning them left. Reinstall and check to see that your ReadySet toilet seat is aligned and fitted correctly. If any adjustments are needed at any point, simply open the hinge and remove the seat. Tighten or loosen the bushings by hand, and reinstall and remove the seat as needed until the desired fit is achieved. Continue until you find the optimum tension. If you have any questions, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your ReadySet toilet seat is ready to use. Thanks for going with Gerber.